we're going to take a look at a couple of accessories that you might want to think about when you're getting on the road when it comes to charging your devices. These are both from a company called RapidX, and I'm showing off the X5. Mike is going to show us the Xscape. First of all, let's take a look at what the X5 is. It's a USB charger, but what I like about this is it's a little bit different than the traditional one that you might find inside of a vehicle. You plug it into the cigarette lighter, so it's got that little dongle piece, and on that it's got two adapters for USB charging right on there. What's cool about those ones, they have a little bit more amperage, maybe because they're closer to the battery, but they'll charge at 2.4 amps each. But what I think is really cool about the X5 is it's got this long cable. It's about 1 meter long, I would say, maybe over 1 meter. And at the end of that, it's got 3 more USB chargers. The idea being is that when this is plugged into your dash up front, you can send the charger back to the folks who are in the back seat, like the kids or the friends.
To the peasants in the back.
Whoever needs a charge. Now, it's got 3 USB chargers on the back of that one. Those ones, a little less amperage. It's only got about 2 amps per USB slot, but still not bad at all. And it's got some tech built into it that will also deliver fast charging where it's available.
I'm having a look at the RapidX Escape. This is kind of cool. It goes into the cigarette lighter adapter again. It's got 2 USB ports, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time, which is kind of cool. What I like about this is that it's also got some safety components built into it. On the tip here, if you pull it back, there's actually a little I guess, steel point in here. So if you were ever in an accident and trapped in your car and you need to break the window open, that's kind of a hard thing with your fists. Yeah. This actually will smash the window open for you. And if you are stuck in your seatbelt and need to cut that off, I don't know if you can see right in here, but underneath this clip is actually a blade that you could run along the seatbelt to cut it off and escape the vehicle. So pretty cool. This goes for about $18 US. So not only does it charge your devices, but it also has got some great safety features built into it as well.
Yeah, that's very cool. And so both of these are from RapidX, the company, and both great ideas to keep inside of a vehicle if you need to get your devices charged, and in Mike's case, get out of a tough situation.
You can find out more information at rapidx.io on the web.